Hello everyone, welcome back to Connect Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaia Classic espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was broken because it was leaking from the groove head, but it wasn't really leaking from the groove head. What appeared to be leaking from the groove head, this was our view from top of the boiler of the machine. Just to show you, this is the view that you get from once the boiler is installed. So it was very difficult for us to find out that the boiler was broken until we took this apart, and once we took this apart, the whole thing just basically came off, and as you can see, the boiler just cracked itself in the middle, which is very unusual, to be honest. I've never seen that. We were only going to replace the boiler gasket of this machine as it was leaking a lot, but we ended up replacing the boiler itself and of course the gasket of the machine. So right now, as you can see, the machine is at full temperature. There's no leaks. Definitely there's no cracks on the boiler. And let's test it out. As you can see, excellent water flow coming out of the machine. Again, no leaks coming out from the groove head. And this machine was really leaking a lot. And now let's just test the steamer as well. As this machine sits in the boiler, it takes a little bit to get back to temperature. That should be about enough. Yep, there you go. As you can see, steaming, perfectly fine, very strong, excellent pressure, really great temperature as well. I'm burning my hand right now. So there you have it, Gaia Classic working once again, not leaking anywhere, having good pressure all over from the groove head as well as from the steam one. So thank you so much for repairing Connect Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching. I cannot believe this thing just broke in half. Never seen that ever. Alright guys, thanks for watching.